lucky enough to be installing a large-scale photograph by Andrea Galvani today. Andrea is an Italian-born artist who now splits his time between New York and Mexico City. And his practice is both photography and sculpture-based. He has exhibited at the Whitney and various other international venues. And we just love this series that we're installing here. So this particular work is a large-scale photograph playing a jet, actually, breaking the sound barrier. And what we loved about it for this particular space is that it combines a variety of qualities that the firm that we're installing it in wants to convey to its clients, right? So experience, skill, goal orientation, trustworthiness, and also kind of a hip, current type of feeling. And this particular company is involved with clients in which those qualities are very, very important. So this particular piece is going to be front and center in the reception.